The other day, I was scrolling through Pinterest and saw this. The perfect That Girl morning routine. Now, I'm not much of a morning person, but since it's 2025, I thought maybe I should try. So in today's video, I will be doing the perfect That Girl morning routine. But let's make it a little more realistic. Enjoy! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm tired. In today's video, I'm gonna try and become a morning person. Woo! First thing on the list is to wake up bright and early at 8 a.m. Now that might not be early for some of you guys, but for me it is. Next step is to open all of your blinds, let the sunlight in, let your body know it's time to wake up. Now it's time to brush our teeth and do our morning skincare. In the morning, I just wash my face with water and apply sunscreen. I don't usually wash my face in the morning with an actual cleanser. I feel like for my skin, washing it with water is fine, so that's what I do. Right now, most of my skincare products, like my sunscreen, are from Beauty of Joseon, and I honestly see my skin improving. So next on the list, a lot of people would do some sort of stretch or workout. I was thinking more of a stretch because doing a whole workout right now is not so, and that's fine. That's completely fine, you know? It's fine. Totally fine. So I'm going to do a stretch. Obviously, we have to change. So I'm going to change and then we're going to do that. Changed out of my workout clothes and now it's time to eat. I'm not a big breakfast eater, and when I do have breakfast it'll be something very small, but today, since we're trying to challenge ourselves to be better or whatever, I'm gonna have something that I don't particularly like, but it is good for you. I'm gonna have some chia pudding. I don't hate it, but I don't love it, so it's good for you. So as far as the stretch goes, I actually really enjoyed that. I've never just done a stretch. Whenever I do stretch, it's right before I work out, and it's just like nothing crazy, you know? So that was pretty nice. I feel definitely more awake and just like I'm able to move and I'm not like stiff and like I just want to go to bed. I feel pretty awake now, so I think that helped. And I felt fancy. Like I felt like with my yoga mat and like my little workout outfit, I was like anyway, so we're gonna eat now and get on with our morning routine. next on our list is to take our vitamins. I take 1 iron pill, 1 of these probiotic pills, and my mom got me these. These have different beef organs in them. My mom told me that the woman that made these, she was very sick, and then she started doing research on beef organs and taking things like that, and then she ended up making her own that had like everything that she would take into just 1 pill. The next on the list is to make a to-do list, to basically plan out your day and organize yourself so you're not a mess and overwhelmed. I love to-do lists. To-do lists are my favorite thing in the whole world. I definitely make a to-do list every single day. Sometimes I make multiple to-do lists. When I have something written down or on my phone, I just feel so much better. I will get so overwhelmed to the point where I feel like I can't do anything if I don't write it down. And then once I write it down, I have like 2 things to do. But I don't know why. But when I keep it in my head, it just feels like I have this long list. So I definitely recommend doing to-do lists every single day, especially right in the morning. That's the best time to do it. So I'm gonna do that now, plan out my day. And if you have a little more time, then I would suggest planning out your whole week. That definitely helps. I'll usually have like a week to-do list and then a day-by-day to-do list. I love to do this. Last thing on the list is to get ready for your day so you can start your day, all that stuff. I do want to style my bangs, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna be using this mini straightener from Freara. I like using this for my bangs since it is such a tiny straightener. I feel like it works well with short hair like my bangs. If you're interested in looking more into this straightener, I'll have the link in the description box below. And I also have a code that you can use to save 18% off. I'll put the code here and I'll also have it in the description box below. First, I'm gonna spray my hair with some heat protectant. My bangs love to go back to their natural wave, so I like to do this to style them back the way I want. I just section my bangs and straighten them in the direction I want them to sit and curve them a bit on the ends. Okay, so I finished getting ready. And that concludes the end of this morning routine. I'm glad that I did this morning routine. I've never dedicated time to do like a whole stretch, so I'll definitely be doing that more often. And it's not as intimidating as saying like, oh, as soon as I wake up I'm gonna do like a workout. It's just a stretch, so you're not like, oh, I don't really want to do it, because like it's nice, it feels nice. So I think I'll be adding that into more of my mornings. And definitely the sitting down and planning out your entire day is so extremely helpful. Like that's the #1 thing that I will do for the rest of my life. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye.